Good morning, teacher and classmates. Today I'm going to describe public transportation in time of pandemic. In Peru, today transportation is muy fluid due to the situation that is behind faced at the national level, such as COVID-19. People prefer to travel by bicycle than by public transport. Transportation in Peru in time of pandemic is fluid, since people do not leave their home for fear of contagion. Some people prefer to transport themselves in their private cars or as electric bicycles or motorcycles that do not pollute. There are seen more today in the environment. In conclusion, we can highlight the awareness that the society takes to avoid contagion, but at the same time, through transport and not polluting issues, bicycle and electric motorcycles. Thank you very much for your attention.